iBuyPower Y60 gaming desktop. $350 off of the list price is a massive discount, and even at retail this gaming rig is a bargain. Boasting a unique case with two transparent tempered glass sides and a bevy of LED-equipped fans, the Y60 is as powerful as it is stylish. The processor is a 12th generation Intel Core i7 with the GeForce RTX 3070 Ti graphics card handling the visuals. And it's easy to get inside to expand or modify your loadout. This model has 16 GB of RAM, a 1TB SSD, and Windows 11 Home. Processor model. Intel 12th generation Core i7. Intel 13th generation Core i7. AMD Ryzen 9 7000 series. AMD Ryzen 7 7000 series. Storage type. SSD, SDD, HDD, SDD, HDD, SDD, HDD. Total storage capacity. 1000 gigabytes, 1000 gigabytes, 1000 gigabytes, 2000 gigabytes,